You are going to love the 2022 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.